Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cool paint poured letter wreath. For the materials, you'll need a wood letter, plastic cups, paint colors of your choice, paint pouring medium, burlap ribbon, wire cutters, a faux flower stem, glue, a staple gun, popsicle sticks, and a paintbrush. First, paint the letter white. Let it dry. Then pour the paint pouring medium into cups. After that, put your colors into each of the cups. I did about a 50-50 consistency. Then stir them together. After that, layer each color in new cups. Quickly flip them upside down onto the letter. Then move them around and pull the cups off. Move the letter around to make the paint in somewhat of a marble effect. Let it dry. Then take some burlap ribbon and staple it to the back of the letter. Cut the head off the flower stem and glue it where you'd like it on the letter. Let it dry. And that's it! I had so much fun making this, and it adds some super cute flair to your door. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.